Hey you guys, on this episode of Redneck Light, I'm just going to walk you through the shakedown that I did on the Lincoln. So after doing my cooling system and everything else, I felt it was ready to take a quick, 2-hour road trip, a good lap around far north Texas. Go through a few interesting towns. I stop at a farmer's market. If you want to experience my 2-hour shakedown in 10 minutes, this is the video for you. I wouldn't say I ran into a ton of interesting sights. We stopped at a farmer's market in Sherman. That was interesting. But overall, it was just a fun drive. And really, that is the entire point of getting a car like this, to just take some road trips, travel the country, travel the back roads, experience rural America the way it's meant to be experienced. So if you have a classic car, and even if you don't have a classic car, maybe take a day trip, jump in your car, travel the back roads, visit a few small towns. If you see something interesting, stop, take a look. You've got nothing to lose, and odds are you're going to have a great experience. Way better than visiting a strip mall or other big shopping center in suburbia or in the city. So I hope you enjoy the video, relax, and I hope it inspires you to go out and just take a drive.